or creating your own music using this application with just AI, with just a prompt. Stay tuned, make sure to watch the full video. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and at the top here you may see AI music. This is pretty much where you go to create your AI music, or you can see down here where it says AI music. So if I tap on that option here, you can see this is pretty much where you go to enter a prompt for your AI music. And let's say I've entered something that you don't want to enter, you just want to clear, you can just tap on reset and just clear it for you. Also, you can add instrumentals in there and so forth. Also down here, if I tap on the box icon over here, you can pretty much see all the genres that you can add to your music, pop, rock, or whatever the case is, or even rap here. So I'm just gonna tap on that there. Don't know to create. So I'm just gonna stop this real quick. Anyways, down here you can also add more genres. If you want, you can add something different, or you can even add something in one of these lists here, like Latin, whatever the case is you want to add. Down here, if you want a vocals, whether it be woman or a man to be singing the song that you'll be generating, up to you. If you just want the AI to decide for you, you can just put it on random and you're good to go. Over here where it says my lyrics, this is where you pretty much go to generate music or to create your music via lyrics. So for the prompt, you're only just, you're not typing in long or anything long, you're just typing in, let's say, cat, and it will just generate some music about cat. But for this, lyrics word by word and so forth. So if you don't have any lyrics, guys, you can always tap on generate lyrics and it will give you something. So that's pretty much it. Well, it will take a while to load. So as you can see here, you can see this lyrics that's generated for me. And if you don't like the one there that they have given you, you can always tap on generate lyrics again until you find the one that, suits you. Reset if you don't want it there. So as I've already explained these features here, so I don't need to go for it. Also down here you can pretty much enter your name of the song, and you're good to go. So over here you have the photo music. You pretty much upload a photo or image of something, anything, and it will generate a song from it or create a song based on that image. And the same thing applies here. And down here may say language. Just tap on English. If you have different language that you want a song to be in, fine, no problem. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that there. And for the music genres, as I said, you can tap on the box icon there to pretty much find all the genres. So that's pretty much it for that there. So the AI singing option, which is down here, if I tap on that option, this one you can pretty much, let's say you want to create a music based off prompt or lips, either one, but you want your voice to be singing the song. Can do that by just tapping on my voice option down here where it says create. You can just tap on create or tap on the box icon there. And let's say I've already made a small recording of your voice. Or if you want to record your voice right now or immediately. So you can just tap on record voice and just tap on continue, and you can record your voice from there. And it will pretty much add it here and pretty much good to go. And based on if you want just a prompt for your music or if you want lyrics, all depends on you. But once you all set up those, you can also set your title and it will pretty much create your AI song. So that's 3 ways of you creating your first music using AI. So in the library section, this is where you're gonna see when your music have been generated, and you pretty much can listen to them and also delete them. So the pro option now gives you more features. You can see you create more songs and so forth. And as you can see, the prices for the subscription. So nothing much for that. And do keep in mind, it's not free to generate music. It takes coin. If I tap on this, right at the top here, you can tap on this, and it tells you how much music you can create with that. It's a for, but nothing much for that. So the settings here, as I said, nothing much. Just tells you what if you are now pro or free subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this app. If I missed anything, comment below. See you in the next one.